Mic&Mak studio. My name's Erica Roberts. We're doing this again. All right. My mission is to bring you projects that are not only easy and inexpensive, but projects that'll make you say, I can do that. Today, I'm going to show you how to make these easy DIY photo canvases. They're just basically pictures that are mounted onto regular canvas, but they just look really professional, polished and finished, and it's just something that's really easy. I mean, you won't believe how easy it is to do. So what you're going to need is, obviously, your picture. The ones I'm making today are 5x7s. You're going to need Mod Podge, and I like to use the matte finish Mod Podge because I like the finished look of it, the matte look. Just regular black craft paint. A couple of these little things, foam brushes, yeah, that's what they're called. And the little secret weapon here, old rag. I'm going to show you what we do with that. Of course, you need your photo canvases. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay. You're going to take your photo canvas and your foam brush, your black paint, and what you're going to do is actually just start painting around your photo canvas. I'm just going to put that on there. You're going to start painting around the edges first. And I love these foam brushes because it just glides on here like really, really smooth. You don't have to paint the entire canvas because ain't nobody got time for that. But what you can do is after you go around the edges here, just go in maybe about ½ an inch around. You can see that. For some reason, my thing paused. I have no idea. So I was showing you painting around the canvas. Let it dry. When it dries, it's just going to look like this. Your edges are all painted, and you're just going to paint in maybe about ½ an inch down all the way around. And you want to have a paper towel, a wet paper towel, because I don't know if you can see. This is what happens. You're going to take the photo that you want to use and position it on there. I'm going to tell you what I do because even though this canvas is a 5x7 and this picture is a 5x7, you're going to have a little hangover. I want it to fit kind of a little bit inside the canvas to where you could see the black around, kind of like a border. I will actually trim off anywhere from 1/8 of an inch, which is, I mean, really tiny, to 1/4 of an inch. But start with 1/8 of an inch first because I'd rather cut off a little bit at a time than cut off too much and then, you know, I'm screwed. You don't have to have a utility knife. You don't have to have anything fancy. You can just have a nice pair of really sharp scissors, a ruler, turn your picture to the back and mark where you're going to cut before you cut it. So, actually, no, I'm going to trim off a little bit more. Yeah, here in Texas, we're ready for spring. We're done with winter. Yay, much better, much better. Okay, you're going to need another foam brush and your Mod Podge. So what I'm going to do is just, if you can see here, I've got my canvas. The paint's already dry. I've got my picture trimmed. And yeah, I just did that. I'm going to pour some Mod Podge on here, take my foam brush, and smooth it out. If you've never worked with Mod Podge before, don't freak out. It goes on white and it dries clear. So I'm going to adhere my picture onto the canvas. Make sure I kind of have it centered where I want it. I don't want to touch it with my fingertips. You just want to press it down. Just put it upside down on a clean surface. Take a heavy book. Got Emerald's book here. I don't really cook though. And just set it on top of your picture and let it dry. But the weight will help it dry, you know, nice and flat. Once that's on there, you're going to have something like this. You can leave it like that, or you could take it up a notch. And I want to show you how to take it up a notch. You're still going to need your Mod Podge, and you're going to need your secret weapon. This is your secret weapon, an old dish rag that you don't mind getting Mod Podge all over. Make sure it's been washed because you don't want lint or dirt or anything on it because you're going to actually touch your picture with this. So you're going to take your Mod Podge and just drizzle a little bit on top of your picture. Again, if you've never worked with Mod Podge before, don't freak out. It goes on white and it dries clear. Smooth it all over your picture. I know, it looks like you're ruining your picture. You're not. You want to get a nice good coat over your picture. You're going to take your rag and lay it on there, and you're just going to gently press. Oh, I wish I could see the comments. I am so blind. These make great gifts for Valentine's because they're inexpensive and they're personal. Okay, you put your rag on there, you press it down, and then you're going to lightly pull it off. It's going to look crazy, but it's going to dry clear, and then it's going to have like a little texture to it. Set this to the side. Make sure it's away from the kids. They don't touch it. They don't mess with it. Okay, we're going to put this one. When it dries, it is going to look, it's going to look like this. I don't know if you can see the texture, but it has like a kind of a little bumpy texture to it. And then with this, actually what I did, I had some rhinestones. So I just glued some rhinestones to just kind of make the picture like a little more extra. This is one of my favorite pictures of my daughter when she had blue hair one summer. And like I said, you can do these in any size. These are 5x7s. I have one that I've done that's an 8x8. You can even do like the big, huge photo canvases. This is a 12x12. It has no picture on it because I had a picture printed out at my family and I lost it. I don't know what I did with it. I should have just done it when I got the ding picture. This is really easy. It's ridiculously easy. This is a great way to mount your pictures. Inexpensive, easy. Yeah. Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Is this something that you would, actually try? I hope so. Thank you so much for joining in my live. Until next time, keep crafting, people. And as always, I'm my own camera woman, so I gotta get up here and stop my own camera. Thanks so much, guys.